How to get Roblox Studio on Chromebook. First things first is access your Chromebook web browser, which is the Google Chrome. Then on the search bar, just simply type in create Roblox. Now, what you want to do is scroll down a little bit and choose on Roblox Creator Hub. Now, once you'll be routed to this page, you'll have to make sure first that you're currently logged into your account. Now, after that, just simply click on Home. Now, if Create Now does not appear here, there is also a link that you can press download from Get Roblox Studio. Other thing you can do is go to Creations and click on Create Experience. Now you'll get a pop-up like this one. All you have to do is open Roblox Studio or download Studio. So that's how quick you can download Roblox Studio on your Chromebook.